Welcome today in front of me Nokia X20, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sound section. Now just here you can see the notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, but by this way you will mute not only your notifications and also you will mute the ringtones. So I'll suggest you to do this by the second way. Just you should click here to the default notification sound and change your currently notification sound. Just tune it down, click here to OK, and by this way you can mute your notifications but stay with their ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.